people with money don't really want broke people either. So we're just gonna have the rich hooking up with the rich and the broke people them stay single.
So beautiful, she is strong. She is strong. Oh yeah, she is powerful, sophisticated and confident. So strong, and the world stands still when she passes by. She is everybody's attention, and I know that she knows.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So guys, today I'll be reacting to the unpopular opinions of my followers and supporters here on my YouTube channel. And boy, I'm off to telling us say some of these things are really unpopular opinions, like really unpopular opinions, but I just want you guys to remember that everybody is entitled to their own opinions, and though we might not all agree with everything that is said here, some of we might not agree with none of them, none at all, it's still somebody's opinion, right? So I wrote them down. I'm not sure if we'll get to go through all of them, but I'm going to see how much we can go through, and I'll give my little 2 cents as to what I think. Maybe these unpopular opinions aren't so unpopular. Maybe I agree with 1 or 2 of them. You don't know. But before we get into that, just look down below the video and check if your subscribe button is red or if it's gray. If it's currently gray, big up yourself. You're already a part of the Naturally Told family. Welcome back. Thank you so much for staying, and I hope you will continue to stay on this journey. If it is red, it's time for you to join the Naturally Told family, guys. So just go ahead and click it. Let it change from red to gray, and click the bell beside it, because that bell allows you to get a notification every time I post, right? So go ahead and click that right now, and let us get into the unpopular opinions. Let's go. So yes, let's get into those unpopular opinions. So this first one, oxtail is a waste of money. Well, oxtail is a waste of money. I'm not sure this is so unpopular, but I don't think it is a waste of money. My opinion might not be that it's a waste of money. It might be that it is overrated in terms of pricing. Like, I really bone where I pay for, and on can sell a little cheaper because I just bone.
And on can sell a little cheaper because I just bone.
But I don't think it's really nothing say oxtail is a waste of money, because at the end of the day it does taste good, tastes real good, down to the bone, tastes good. But once it cook good, remember, once it cook good, down to the bone tastes good. But I don't think it is a waste of money. And you can let me know in the comment section what you think, if you agree with this one, if it's also one of your opinions, or if it's indeed an unpopular opinion. Putting ketchup in or on curry is abuse of power. No, I am not a ketchup lover. So me now put ketchup in a curry. And ketchup and curry sound like diarrhea to me. I don't know about anybody else, but ketchup and curry sound like diarrhea to me. What do you think? It is abuse of power for true, but then you know you really have people who put ketchup on everything. Because one of my cousins, I'm not sure if he still does it now, but when we were kids, he put ketchup in porridge, in soup, on egg. Once he might eat, ketchup back up on it. So, but I don't know. Next, Hennessy is overrated and only for a hype. I kind of think me agree with this opinion, to be honest with you. To me, Hennessy don't taste good. And I realized that when party used to keep on so, I realized that people always is like, it really is a hype thing where you need to post a video on Instagram or Facebook or on a status on WhatsApp to show say you have a bottle of Hennessy. Even when none of them buy it, you know, them still have to post a bottle of Hennessy to show that, you know, that's what them drinking, that's what the crew drinking while them out. But I realize when I travel overseas, Hennessy is like any other little liquor. There's no real hype around it. When you go overseas, it's just out here, it's like the biggest thing to drink. I don't know Hennessy or not, it's just like the hype. It's just a hype. I agree with that one here. What do you guys think? Hype or not? Next. Ackee and saltfish should not be Jamaica's national dish. As a non-ackee eater, I feel like me aside with all of them on unpopular opinion here. I probably agree because I'm gonna eat ackee, and if you really look at Jamaica's culture as well, most families eat rice and peas and chicken every Sunday. So maybe that would have been better off as our national dish. But then you can see why ackee and saltfish is our national dish, because it has to be something nice, authentic, you know, something different, and everybody eat chicken and rice and peas. So you can see why they would make ackee and saltfish our national dish. If you think it shouldn't be your national dish either, you can stay, but I don't eat it, but I can see why it is. What it is, what it is. It is what it is. Some of them stop me here when them write it. I really don't want to answer the person them write it, but you know, because I wanted to save it for this video. Prank channels are overrated. No, I think majority of Jamaica's YouTube community is built around prank channels. Something that Jamaicans seem to like. It, to me, I'm not bashing nobody's channel because some of these pranks are really good. There's a new upcoming channel, Bemito and Mo, that their pranks are convincing, and may I tell you, when I watch them pranks, them I laugh. Them funny bad, right? And then you have some channels where you go on and every day is pranks and posts. I've seen where people ask if these persons after a while don't realize that their partner, because most of these prank channels are couples channels, if they don't realize that the partner pranking them, like if every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, every day, so they get up and prank me. One day me just not gonna take you serious. One day you probably call me, you scream out in the bathroom, and me just assume it's a prank me, and me just don't get up go look. As well as I've seen where persons one ask about prank channels in terms of where do they set up the camera that nobody sees it. And some of these setups look like they have the ring light on or some other light on, like nobody noticed that those lights are on. But anyways, I'm not bashing prank channels because, you know, there is a market for prank channels, and there are channels out there who do pranks, who do really good pranks. I just like when the pranks don't go too far. Like some channels that I like that the prank, you have ABC Sisters. I'm gonna link their channel down below as well. Their pranks are very good as well, so you can go check out those and look at it. But let me know what you think about this that says prank channels are overrated. I don't think they're overrated. I just think that it just depends, because you can mix up the channel a bit, you know, so it don't look like Monday to Saturday you do prank alone. Understand me? Yeah. Right, so this person says Game of Thrones is overrated. Now, I have never watched the Game of Thrones, so I really cannot comment as to whether or not it is overrated. Why I never watch Game of Thrones is because I couldn't take the eyebrow on it. I am a kind of person who, if too much noise I make about one show, I not watch it. I prefer watch it after everybody done watch it. And I guess that never for Game of Thrones either because I still never watch it. But you can let me know, guys, in the comment section who are watching this video what you think about Game of Thrones, and do you think I should still watch it? Come and still watch it. I thought about watching it after it ended, but then the last season, all the complaints I heard about how that season never makes sense, I said, well, probably I shouldn't waste my time. But comment below and let me know if you think I should still give it a chance, and if you think it is overrated. If you think it's overrated, me not watch it. Alright? So, this guy say, if one partner broke, it can't work. I'm gonna read a next one that is similar, which says, broke people, nothing there with broke people. No. At some point in time, majority of us are broke. Our culture is a way that people with money don't really want broke people either. So we're just gonna have the rich hooking up with the rich, and the broke people them stay single. And that's the way I got it, right? So if you're broke, you need to go work for your money, and then if you have money, you can go hook up with somebody with money, right? That's an answer, right? So broke people stay single till they make money, and rich people hook up with rich people. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these comments, guys, cause I ain't rich. So pizza is just bread with sauce. It's not that good. I would like to know which pizza this person has been eating, because pizza is just bread with sauce. That really sound like you're just eating bread with sauce. Like, which pizza is just bread with sauce? Even a plain pizza, a plain pizza. No, they should call it pizza. Cheese pizza, pizza. Anyways, even a plain pizza, which is cheese only, it's not just, yeah, it's still. Which pizza company you're buying from? The closest I think you can get to a pizza that is just bread and sauce is probably pepperoni, and that's when they mean with the pepperoni and barely put some on top of it, but even then it's still a pepperoni and it still tastes better than this bread with sauce. Bread with sauce, so let me eat bread with ketchup. I'm not eating pizza bread with sauce. You can tell it's a pizza one of my favorite fast food, right? Why do people like chocolate? No, I feel like so everybody who answer this unpopular opinion in this part right here, me and them can be friends, because how can you not like chocolate? Like, chocolate is heaven, like chocolate is life, like dark chocolate specifically is. But right now I'm not eating chocolate, but maybe I can eat dark chocolate, and I'm going to look into it. Maybe I can eat dark chocolate, but chocolate is life. How can you not eat chocolate? Who watching this video don't eat chocolate? Let me know in the comment section. This person says, marriage is no longer important in today's society. Another one that I don't agree with. What other thing? I think there has been a breakdown in the value of marriages in society these days. Like, nowadays people are alright with just having a baby father or a baby mother and whoever keep the child and just collect the maintenance and move on with life. But I don't know if it's because I was raised in a household with both parents. I see the importance of having both parents, and not just even if you want to do common law for a while, at least the child will have a structure. And I think that's what marriage represents, structure. If you are to really look into statistics, majority of troubled kids are from single homes. I'm not bash nobody will come from a single parent home. I'm just saying that majority. We do still have persons coming from single homes who mentally and everything are fine. But then you do have people who come from single homes that are broken. So, and that's my 2 words. Overcast day at the beach is ideal. You see, because I don't go to the beach for sun, I don't mind an overcast day. I go there to go into the water, and when sun hot and you in the water is a hell of a thing. So I think I agree with this one. Overcast at the beach is ideal. I agree with this one. All Jamaican men cheat at some point of their relationship. Me can't answer that question here because I'm no man. So men who are watching, let me know in the comment section if this is an unpopular opinion or you believe as well that at some point in time all men do cheat. But my answer to this opinion is that all men have the audacity, so anything is possible. But I don't think all men do cheat. I can't speak for all men to agree with this one that all men cheat, right? Valentine's Day is overrated. So this one now, the person says toxic relationships are more fun. No, that's my dear mother. I think, well, and this was a guy. Let me just put it out there that this was a guy. And I just want to say, I think you like crazy. You like crazy people because I can't see how you like a toxic relationship. You like the mystery of the quarrel and the cussing every now and then, and the fallout today and the fallout to tomorrow. You don't like peace. You don't like peace. That's why. This one I don't think is so unpopular at all. It says 90s music is way better than the current, and once you are a 90s, 90s baby, 80s baby, before that you're gonna prefer 90s music over what is currently being played. Because honestly, I can count the few artists, dancehall artists now, that I actually would listen to their songs, to be honest with you. But I love 90s music, so I don't think this one is so unpopular. 90s music is indeed way better than current music. One more one I agree with. Well, I agree with it on some days, not every day. Rain is better than sun. I love rain. I love rain when I'm home. If I have somewhere to go, I don't love rain, but I love rain. I love night rain. I love rain when I'm not going anywhere. I just love rain. But I don't want too much rain when the place like a flood. I'm gonna stuck. I'm gonna want rain when I'm there at work and I can't leave to come home. I'm gonna want rain when I have somewhere to go. But otherwise from that, I love rain. So rain is better than sun. Bye me. This person now reminds me of one of my male friends that said, female drivers don't give fly. No, I've heard it so many times, but I don't really say we don't give fly. I give fly. I give fly when the situation allows for it. But if I am near to a stoplight, the light is about to change, and you want to come out of somewhere into the lane, in a sweet little time, I'm not gonna get to reach the light, you're not get no blind. If you want to come out to go into another lane, and you coming out in front of me is going to have me stuck, because the other side of the road traffic tick and nobody now let you in, you not get no blind. Those are the kind of situations I don't give blind. I'm gonna give taxi man blind either, because taxi man don't give blind, and taxi man always oppose female drivers, so I not give them no blind. But otherwise from that, I do think women give blind. We do give blinds. Ladies, let them know in the comment section that we do give blinds. We are very generous people, very generous, and we are always giving males blind. This one says a woman cannot be truly satisfied in a relationship unless she is sexually satisfied as well. This reminds me of a group conversation we had the other day, where the guy was asking, like you say, if the girl is getting everything, you know, money, love, shower with things, caring, cook for her, everything, you know, take care of her bills, everything, but he's just not meeting her sexually. Would she leave? And I don't think she would. I don't think I would, but that's something you can work on. At the end of the day, sex is not everything, so you do need a balance in the relationship. And if every other section of your relationship is top notch, you're well satisfied and happy, you can compromise in one little area. Ladies, let me know in the comment section if you agree with me, or do you think that you cannot truly be happy in a relationship unless you're sexually satisfied? Are you in agreement with this opinion? I think it's unpopular. Maybe because I don't agree, but you can let me know in the comment section if you agree. So the last two unpopular opinions I'll be reading are: Titanic isn't a good movie. I wouldn't say Titanic isn't a good movie. It was a good movie for the era in which it came out. Maybe if we do a retake of it now, you know, with a little modern twist, probably look nicer. But for the time period, the era that it was created, it was a good movie then. I guess we just have a different taste now, why it doesn't seem so interesting anymore. You know, what's your name, Jane? What's your name? Hanging off on the board. We're gonna die. Yeah. When she could have more than go up on it and put inside her, but that's for another story. And the last one I am doing is: working at a call center is trash. No, I don't think it's trash. Because honestly to God, these call centers in Jamaica are definitely saving a lot of people, providing a lot of job, a lot of employment. Yeah, there's some that's the working condition might not be ideal, and that is something that the different companies need to look into. I once worked at what is termed as a contact center. They don't call it a call center. It's a contact center, and my experience there was very good. Made good money too, and I left because I just wanted a change. I didn't leave necessarily because working in the call center or in the contact center, call center / contact center, but in this case call center, because it was trash. I didn't work in it because it wasn't an ideal place to work in. I just wanted a change. I worked there for more than 2 years. Yeah, and in all honesty, push come to shove, I would go back to a call center anytime. Far better than being unemployed. Just that I would choose wisely. I definitely choose something like what I did. I have experience with working before, and not necessarily one of the ones that don't have good working conditions. But this might actually be a popular opinion for people who work at ones that aren't so ideal. So yes guys, that's the end of my unpopular opinion video for today. Hope you guys commented down below those little unpopular opinions that you might agree with, and you might just be on that unpopular boat. And any of them when you irritate, they just irritate you and they just want to strangle the person. Hope you wrote it down there in the comment section as well. I did enjoy this. If it is you'd like to see another video like this, maybe, and I will just find another category, unpopular opinions in something else, I would definitely do that again. So don't forget guys to leave me a thumbs up, click that like button. Already tell you to leave that comment. And guys, if you're at the end of the video and your subscribe button is still red, something wrong, go ahead and click it and then click gray. If you have already subscribed as well and you have your notification bell off, you can go ahead and click it so that the next time I post you'll get a notification and you can come on over and share, you know, whatever it is I'm sharing with you guys, because you know I cover various areas: beauty, faith and love. Beauty being hair care, skin care, the works. faith being, you know, my testimonies and stuff, story times about things in my life, and love being visiting different places in Jamaica, my vlogs, my challenges, all of those things. So yes guys, this is the end of the video, and maybe it's done already, but until next time, stay safe. Bye.
Yeah, welcome to